Hello everybody, let's take a look at signing up for an Amazon seller account. Now, there are two different plans, the professional plan and the individual plan. The professional plan has a monthly fee, and on Amazon.com that monthly fee is $39.99. There are some things that you can do with the professional account that you cannot do with the individual account, but the individual account is free. I recommend that right now you sign up for an individual account. The reason for this is that it's going to allow you to get familiar with Seller Central. So Seller Central is the area in your seller account where you do everything, where you list your products and everything else. So most of what's available with the individual selling plan, the free selling plan, is the same as with the professional selling plan. There are some differences in the Amazon fees that you pay when you make a sale. Obviously, we are using their platform, we are leveraging their customer base. So they do take some of our profits. That's absolutely fine. And as I say, you will be learning about this later. But the reason for signing up for the individual account right now, instead of paying any money for the professional account, is because you don't need to spend any money at this stage. You're going to be able to get used to the Seller Central, so your seller account, practice doing things in there, get a feel for everything, follow along with the lectures without spending any money or putting yourself under any pressure to start selling before you are ready to start selling because you feel that you need to cover your monthly costs. So that's why I'm recommending the individual account, and you can upgrade this account at any time to the professional selling plan. Alright, so I'm here on Amazon.com. Now, obviously I can't go through the sign-up process because I do already have an account, but I want to point something out. Amazon don't make the individual plan very obvious at all on the sign-up page, and I know some students that have gone ahead and signed up for the professional paid plan without realizing what they were doing. So let me show you the way it looks right now. Now they do change things around, but right now, if you scroll down a bit on the page, you can see right here, very tiny writing, sign up to become an individual seller. Now on Amazon.co.uk, the same thing, it's kind of hidden and not very obvious, but it's right over here on the right. So you don't click register now because otherwise that will cost you £25 plus VAT per month. Right now you want the free account. So you click right here where it says only want to sell occasionally. And over on the Amazon.ca website, you need to scroll down and here we are, sign up to become an individual seller. So the terminology is a little different on some of the different Amazon websites, but it means the same thing. If you are going to register as a seller on a different Amazon marketplace, for example, Germany or France, go to the Google search bar and type in Amazon Seller Registration Germany, Amazon Seller Registration France, and you will get the registration page. Alright, so go ahead and sign up for your free seller account with Amazon, and I'll see you in the next lecture.